In silence, power is born, unseen, unheard, until the moment strikes. A small but invincible army in the dark. The moth spreads its wings, numbing the silver fans of the night. Among chaos, one watches yet one tend, protector and leader of the heights. At dawn, they greet the light, warmth awakening life in the forest of stone.
Curiosity awakens, the next generation learning the forest's rhythm.
Curiosity awakens, the next generation learning the forest's rhythm.
The day exhales high, peace painted in orange and gold.
The day exhales, peace painted in orange and gold.
Beneath the golden sky, the forest's spirit takes form, fierce, solitary, eternal. Every movement in the darkness has an observer. As the light returns, the Amazon night closes its mysterious music.
It waits, unseen, a ghost carved from bark and silence.
Wisdom leads in silence the road, her path remembered through generations.
It waits, unseen, a ghost carved from bark and silence.
His face is a signal, blue, red, and gold, declaring strength without words.
Discipline defines movement, each stride guided by the alpha's unseen command.
Affection endures, even as the dale's warmth begins to fade.
Air bends around its silence blue, a whisper given wings.
Precision without sight, guided by rhythm and sound alone.
Night's last note fades, surrendering to the breath of day.
Under the silver gaze of the moon, they continue their eternal migration.
Night returns, and with it, the rhythm of survival continues unseen. The rainforest exhales, revealing giants treading softly on the damp earth.
Home among the giants, where life and legacy intertwine.
Its silence speaks louder than roar, power carried without violence. Each fold tells a story, survival etched in skin and shadow.
Each crossing renews life, water, memory, and the path forward.
Every meal taken gently from the forest's endless generosity.
Predators see what the forest hides, a hunter sculpted by silence.
Unshaken, it walks through centuries of storms to pull, the forest's quiet monarch. Unshaken, it walks through centuries of storms, knowing the forest's quiet monarch. Even the fiercest bow to the rhythm of rain.
The sun remembers what time forgot, a creature born before men.
The forest accepts the cycle, life yielding quietly to life.
The forest bows before its unseen king, claiming ruler of silence and shadow.
It breathes the water's soul, a kronken, a relic molded by earth and flow. Through liquid eyes, the forest is both home and illusion. In its world, haste is forgotten, Hatu. Only rhythm and endurance remain. In its world, haste is forgotten. Only rhythm and endurance remain.
A dancer of light and form boil, movement sculpted in living color.
Higher it climbs, chasing the sky through emerald corridors. One movement, one signal, and fear ripples through the current.
At last, the Watcher appears, silent judge of his color and grace.
In the safety of stone, the Ancient One sleeps beneath the living world. In the safety of stone, the Ancient One sleeps beneath the living world.
The river dreams, and the ancient heart beats within its depths.
Light and color embrace, fleeting beauty before night's return.
No rush, no fear and find, only the pulse of ages beneath the dark.
The current carries its legend, an ancient spirit forever bound to water.
The current carries its legend, an ancient spirit forever bound to water.
Patience cloaked in emerald, a predator waiting in silence.
Day ends where light and life embrace in silent reverence.
Every heartbeat measured, every twitch of the forest felt.
A casque, a crown of air and light, shaped by evolution's artistry.
A sudden explosion of energy breaks the stillness. The strike is swift, demonstrating the flawless precision of this arboreal predator.
Power flows without sound dam. Survival measured in moments of pressure.
Beneath rain's rhythm, the jungle kneels to its quiet ruler. Majesty in motion, the king stands eternal amid the dying light.
Beneath the moon,
His rule unseen.
The ground stirs Canthreed. The forest breathes in motion.
Individual minds, one purpose tarot, a collective born of instinct. Each flicker a brushstroke, color painted upon the air itself.
Efficiency without mercy. Nature's order in chaos.
Strength multiplied by thousands, purpose shared by all.
Each grain of clay a remedy, each bite a ritual of balance in the wild.
Not even the storm can scatter determination. Not even the storm can scatter determination. A city in motion to every life carried by countless others.
Courage finds wings, a first leap into the endless canopy.
Together they build, together they rest in the Farni, the living architecture of survival. The march never ends, life moving, consuming, renewing without pause.
A gentle giant treads softly through its ancient home. In heat and silence, rest is the rhythm of survival.
In heat and silence, rest is the rhythm of survival.
Every step leaves a patter, brief yet eternal.
Adaptation made elegant, a nose that became a hand of the forest.
The jungle sleeps, yet its colors endure, glowing softly beneath the moon's watch.
Beneath the surface, patience takes form, life waiting for movement.
The Adaptation Salt. Audio is characterized by a serene underwater soundscape, featuring the gentle, continuous flow.
Light paints its skin, art drawn by the rhythm of the river. Care expressed in touch, the language of peace among the branches.
High above the jungle floor, the guardian surveys his green kingdom.
Precision from stillness, a flash of power, then silence again. Even the most agile find calm, motion giving way to quiet grace.
Two worlds, one rhythm against it. The sky and river breathing together. The river moves, and so does the memory of its oldest dancers.
Joy echoes in motion, life rehearsing its endless melody.
The night river shimmers with ancient light. The spirit.
The music fades, but its echo lives, carried by the
Morning breaks in whispers pool. The water's guardian stirs beneath the mist.
Each sunrise begins with chatter fearing, the forest's thinkers stirring to life.
Play builds skill. Curiosity is their teacher.
Food and friendship, the bonds that feed both body and mind.
Power glides beneath the surface. The river bends to his presence.
Leadership without words. Wisdom in the gaze of experience.
Grace within power, the calm rhythm of a life bound to the river.
As light fades, togetherness fills the air with peace and purpose.
Eternal as the waters flow, the crocodile remains, keeper of the river shadows. Motion becomes melody, color becomes sound.
Motion becomes melody. Color becomes sound.
Each follows scent and instinct, fume, a masterpiece of living coordination.
Each note carries the forest's joy, a hymn to morning air.
Nature paints with echoing hues to horror, sustenance in scarlet and green.
Precision and purpose daily, the jungle's harvesters at work, never resting.
Below the forest floor, civilization thrives unseen, built grain by grain.
A fleeting fire meets its twin, beauty doubled in still water. Even color must rest. Silence becomes the final verse.
Night brings no rest. The rhythm of work continues, eternal and precise. Morning breaks doom. Color stirs on fragile wings of light. Their voices rise with the sun, a chorus of energy in the morning air. Grace in slow motion. Strength born of patience and balance. He rules alone, each step a quiet claim to his hidden kingdom.
The song of the tree frog echoes far, opening the night symphony.
Every smell carries a story, a rival, a challenge, or a warning.
Silence is the weapon of the hunter in the night forest.
Evening gold meets sapphire, light and life entwined in farewell.